What is up, guys? Keeping MOTO, and we're back today. I'm doing another video on Mazdaspeed 6. Not really an update video, but I haven't really shown you guys made any good videos on this car yet with a quality camera. Kind of show you the updates I've done to it. Gotta rep the YouTube. I haven't drove this all day because I drove my truck back from school. I had to work on that. So yeah, we'll kind of do not really a cold start because it's warm out, but fire it up, see how it sounds. Alright guys, got my sister phone here in the passenger seat. I'm gonna do Alright, so obviously it sounds a lot better than stock exhaust, so I'll show you what I got going on here. I custom made, let's see if I can go way down here. Looks kind of crappy from here, but from the mid pipe right there, I made two custom flanges on a water jet to a 90 degree, to a straight, and then the hangers right there. It's all chrome painted, just normal steel, but it's all full of iron ore and crap just from driving down dirt roads. But yeah, so it's 2.5 inch. Tips don't look that great. They're not centered in the holes, but they're centered with each other, so I guess that's kind of alright. Nice thing about these cars, they don't come stock with resignators, they just have the two cats and that the mufflers. And from right there, maybe you can see, let's see if I can adjust it. That's a 3-inch downpipe right to my mid pipe, and then it goes back to my mufflers. I'll pop the hood quick, maybe you can see the downpipe better from there. I can do this one-handed. Camera down. You can go over here. I put a new O2 sensor in it also, and you can see the downpipe. It's actually looking pretty good right now. It's all heated. If I can get stupid camera to focus, I'm still getting used to this new Canon camera I got. But yeah, so right from the turbo, 3-inch downpipe. And then the 2.5 inch mid pipe that's stock, and the 2.5 inch axle back mufflers. I'll put you on the tripod and do a quick rev. Probably a lot louder in person. I don't have even a, what's it called? Just spaced out. I don't have a mic for this camera yet, so that's not the greatest, but so yeah, well, I guess we'll do some rollers down the road. I'll have my sister film for me. Out on a straight road here, we're going to do a little 0 to 60. Not going to launch or anything spectacular, but now we'll get some clips from outside.
pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I pop a pill and I lose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds they eat.